Alright, so here is the city of Chicago.
Milwaukee Avenue.
Yeah, we're on Milwaukee Avenue. Got Popeyes, the regular CVS, regular like every other city. Got your Verizon over there.
The famous Milwaukee Avenue.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can get the pass here. Now here's where they're supposed to get an arrow to turn. And there's no arrow, you know.
Oh, that's why everyone has to like wait.
They're all heavy.
Oh, you gotta wait your turn.
Now with the traffic, how can you turn? It will get red and you would not get to turn.
True. Bad designing. Just hit
See,
it.
it's red.
Well,
So the guy behind me can't turn.
so straight ahead is the city.
Turn right after 1 mile.
You can see it.
Beautiful Chicago. Multicultural.
Oh, for sure, multicultural. See the pigeons. Came out to lunch. It's
Pigeon
lunchtime.
came out to lunch.
Yep. It's lunchtime. So it's gonna put us back on the highway, I guess.
Yeah, it will put us back in the
Okay. So there's some tall looking buildings looking like Manhattan here. Straight up ahead. I don't know if it's well, I don't know. We gotta see if we can compare it to Manhattan, New
highway.
York City.
Chicago is a big city like New York.
Oh, okay.
I think LA, New York, and then Chicago.
Perhaps.
Yeah,
Not sure.
the 3 largest city in the United States.
Maybe you're right. I guess we're on Noble Square, whatever that is. Just a bunch of noble people lives around here, I guess. See, that's a city straight ahead.
So that's the highway there.
So we're getting back on it.
It's not taking me to the highway.
Look at the top of that building. It looks like it's on fire, but it's really foggy.
Yeah.
We should have stayed on the highway.
Yeah, I should have stayed there, but I could spend hours in the highway too. Yeah. So I think probably taking the local road, as you see on the map here, it shows that the highway is blocked up. Over here is not that blocked up, but
How with the yellow? Where is it blocked up?
and the red.
So
Where it's red, it's blocked.
in half a mile you're gonna make a ride, okay? Nice tall building.
I think they need to fix their road.
Yeah. US Bank. What if
Oh, they
a
got
US
US
Bank here? I still haven't seen. I still haven't seen a Citibank. Check, Citibank is only in New York. The hell? I need to open more branches. See, it's a city.
Well, their
Right
headquarters.
after a quarter of a mile.
Their headquarters is in South Dakota, right? Remember?
Just the credit card part piece of
Okay.
it. Yeah. I think they're headquartered in New York.
Bear right after 800 feet onto North Halstead Street.
Yeah, guys, it's the local streets in Chicago. Checking out the scenery here, passing through Chicago. It's a little road trip.
I think I'll go over there and then turn. Find that turn.
Whatever you do, honey. I don't know.
Please bear next way.
See,
Alright,
there.
shut up.
I thought I tried
Huh?
this wrong and they can
Yeah, this is
nice. It's a nice view. Of course, there's Federal Express everywhere.
FedEx.
Yep, Federal Express. Here's a nice building. There's
Over there,
a nice
it's like-
building.
Just like Manhattan.
Yeah, it looks a little bit like Manhattan. Not too much. But, you know, it's a nice city. Very, very busy, though. Local streets, highway, lots of cars, lots of traffic.
Turn left after 900 feet onto West Madison Street.
Chicago streets, people. City of Chicago.
They got a twin tower there.
Bank of America, that's their version of the Twin Tower, I guess.
Yeah. Actually, it's four of them. Four of the same building.
Okay. So quadruple tower. Whole Foods Market.
Please turn next left, then make the next right turn. Caution, I-90
So it's gonna-
road construction.
It's gonna put me on the highway here, I
Yeah.
think. Here. And then.
Oh, that address looks like an address in
800 West.
NYC, 800 West Madison.
Madison Square Garden.
Oh, look. More of the city. It's a nice looking
Please turn
building.
next right.
Look at the four buildings.
Yeah, the four towers. They're telling me to turn, and of course I can't turn here.
So it's giving you
I
the
can't
wrong
turn here.
direction.
Please turn next
You need me
right.
to.
Then make the next
Hmm?
right turn.
Can I make right turn in red in Chicago?
I don't know. Not sure.
Please turn next right. Turn left after 1,000 feet.
That's their millionaire tower out on top there. Yeah. So I gotta go all the way down that way.
Right
Yeah,
here.
because
And
close.
here. So pretty soon you gotta go. Rework.
Turn left after 700 feet onto West Van Buren Street. Please turn next left.
I mean, it's listening the miles, but
Turn sharp right after 800 feet onto South Canal Street.